Okay, hello go-getters. I just hope you are doing good. So in this video, I just want to show you if you are given something like this, they say simplify the following expression. Yeah. So what you should understand here, that word simplify. So in maths, if they say that you should simplify, what you should understand is that when you simplify, you are changing a big thing to a small thing. Like you are changing something big into small. Or it can be something long, and you change it into a small thing. Do you see? Yeah. So if they want you to simplify this expression, they want you to change this expression into a small thing, or do you see most of the thing? Yeah. And when you simplify, you apply all the knowledge that you know. So at yet, I already teach you how to collect like terms. So here you can collect like terms, because you can see that this, it is the like term of this, and also this one. All these one are the like term. And also this, it is the like term of this one. So when you collect like terms, so as you can see that these one are the like terms, this 1, 2, 3, as well as this 1, 2. So when you collect like terms, you will say 3 plus 2 and plus invisible 1. Do not forget, guys, here we got invisible 1 here. We got invisible 1. If there is no coefficient, you should know that there is 1. And if there is no exponent, there is invisible 1. So when you collect like terms, 2 plus 3 plus 1, so this thing, it will give you 6ab. Same base and same exponent. So now, to collect this one, this thing, it's not 4, guys. It is minus 4. And this one, it's not 1. It is minus 1. So when you collect like terms here, you will say minus 4, minus 1. And this thing, it will give you minus 5ab. I will explain why it gives you minus 5. Even you can use your calculator if you avoid to do mistakes. Say minus 4 and minus 1. This thing, it gives you what? Minus 5. Do you see? I will explain to you why it gives you minus 5. Okay. So this one, it will be your final answer. So what I want you to recognize here, I say when you simplify, you change a bigger thing to a small thing. Change even a large thing to a small thing. So a long thing to a small thing. Do you see, Mostari? So if you can notice, this expression, it was long. So now it's not that long. It is being simplified into a small thing. Do you see? Yeah. So let me show you also this expression. So do you see how long this expression it is? And here we are simplifying. You apply the knowledge that you have to simplify this thing into a small thing. Do you understand? So if you can notice here, these two things are like terms. This one, they are like terms. They got the same base and same exponent, which is invisible 1. Do not forget here, we got invisible 1 as the exponent. So same base and same exponent. So when you collect these like terms, you can see this thing, it's not the like term. You can put it down the way it is. Even that one, you can put it down the way it is. Do you see? And when you collect like 10 here, it's minus 9, minus 6. So this thing, it will give you minus 15x. And if you want to, you can rearrange this thing into this order, x, and say plus 29. Start with the big exponent, small exponent, the one which doesn't have the exponent. Do you see? Yeah. Even from this step, you can come here. Just collect your like term and they give you this thing. Do you see? But here I just want to show you that arrangement, it does not count. Do you understand? Yeah, arrangement, the way you arrange your terms does not count. As long you keep the what? Their sign. You should keep the sign, because here it's minus 15x, so it must be minus 15x. Here it's plus 29, and also here it must be plus 29. Do you understand? Yeah. So now I want you to recognize that we simplify this thing into a long expression. Now it becomes small expression. Do you see? We have simplified, change it from a large to a small. And also I will explain to you guys why here it's minus 9 and minus 6. Check something. To avoid mistakes, it's good to use your calculator. Just say minus 9 and minus 6. Do you see? Yeah. So I think, let me just explain it here, this thing. Or let me first do it aside for you to get more knowledge. So guys, what you should understand now is that when you see plus or minus, it's either you collect like terms, or you factorize. So guys, when you when you see plus or minus between your terms, like between these terms, plus or minus, do you see? If you see minus plus between your terms, it's either there you collect like terms or you factorize. But guys, at yet I haven't shown you how to factorize. But as you go and watch my videos, you will see the way I factorize. You will see the way I factorize. And I will explain to you what does the word factorize mean. Do you understand? Yeah. So at yet we are collecting like terms. Here we are collecting like terms, no need us to factorize. Do you understand? Yeah. So if you see plus or minus, guys, you collect like terms. And one thing that you should know about collecting like terms, if you are collecting terms that both got plus, if you are collecting these like terms, both of them, they got plus. Here, this thing, it is just a family. Or let me just say, if you are collecting terms which got the same sign, this thing we take it as in they are a family. Do you see? They are a family. They will combine. This one, they will combine. But if you are collecting terms which got different sign, it's minus plus or plus minus. You should know this one, they are just enemies. They are not friends, this one. They are enemies. They fight. This one, they are friends. So in other words, I'm saying that here, do you see here? Here is something like minus 9x minus 6x. So these terms, they got the same sign and they are a family. So it simply says that if here I got minus 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this thing, it is the family. They will combine. They won't fight. They will combine. Do you see this thing? And when they combine, they will give you minus 15x. That's why here I just say it is minus 15x. Do you see? Yeah. And now let me show you here. Do you see also here? So here we got minus 4ab and minus AB. So this thing, it is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because this one, they got the same sign and we are collecting like terms, they will combine each other, give us minus 5AB squared. Do you see? So now I want you to recognize something from this one now. Do you notice that these two things, they are like term? They are like term, this one. As well as this one, they are like term. Because both of them, they don't have the base. These one are just numbers. And when we see numbers, we can combine numbers. Do you understand? So now let me just show you how to combine these numbers. So here we got 4 and minus 5. So this thing actually, this one, you should know that we got invisible positive here. This thing is positive 4. This one a positive 4 and this one a minus 5. And they will against each other. This will kill this one, this will kill that one, this kill, this and kill. Here we're left with minus 1. Do you see this thing? Yeah. Meaning that if I combine this thing as the like term, even if you can use the calculator, if you say 4 minus 5, you'll get minus 1 there. Do you see? Meaning this and that will fight each other. It will be minus 1. So now, let me show you the way you will collect this one. This one, they got different sign. B plus 5AB. So this thing, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one, because they got different sign, they will against each other, meaning that they will fight. This will fight that one, this will kill, this will kill, this will kill, that will kill. So here we're left with how many? 5 negative, meaning here it will be negative 5AB. So meaning that if I collect this thing as the like term, it will be minus 5AB. Do you see? But sometimes to avoid mistake, it's good for you to use calculator. But as the time goes, you should understand this thing so that you can flow. So plus 5. Do you see? Minus 10 plus 5, it's minus 5. Because these one, they are enemies. They don't combine. They just fight. Do you understand? Yeah. So you should understand, guys. When you collect like terms, we got the family and we got the enemies. Do you understand? And sometimes it is important for you to know that here on the enemies, the one which got the bigger sign is the one which will be left. Do you see? The one which got the bigger sign is the one which will be left. Negative are big, they will be left negative. Even here, they will be left negative. So let me try to show you this one, 1, 2. And so check something here. So if you can notice here, we got this, it is the like term of that, and this one, it is the like term of this one. So do you see this one? They are just enemies. They got different sign, meaning that here we got negative 5 here, got negative 5, and here we got positive 6. Do you see? And the one which got a bigger sign is the one which will take over, because this will fight that one, this will fight this one, this will fight, and will fight. Here I will be only left with 1 positive, meaning it will be positive 1x squared. Same base and same exponent. I'm collecting like terms. Even this one, they will fight each other. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I got only 1 positive. So this will fight that one, meaning here I will only left with minus 9. So here you can leave your answer like this. But remember, it is unnecessary for you to put that one. This one, it will become invisible one. Do you see? Yeah. Even if you don't believe me, you can even use a calculator. Let's start from here. Say minus 5 plus 6. Do you see? It is 1. It is 1. Positive 1. It is 1. And now say plus, and do you see I've got negative 9? Here's the answer. Yeah. So let me show you this one, the last one. So here's the last one. So for this one, guys, you can see that these one are like terms. These are like terms because they got the same base and same exponent, which is invisible one. But now for you, it will be the waste of time for you to write positive until 20. Doing all positive until 24. Even on this side, doing negative until 36. You will be wasting your time. That's why they gave us these calculators. It's because they want us to be quick. To be quick. So here you will say 24 minus 36. And what you should understand is that the one which got a bigger sign, the one which got a bigger number is the one which will take over. You will see the answer here will be negative. Do you see? Yeah, the sign that got a bigger number is the one which will take over, which is here. Meaning that if I collect these two things as the like term, here it will become x and minus 12, same base and same exponent. Do you see? Here's your answer. And if you want to, you can even rearrange this thing. Start with the one which got a bigger exponent. And do you see? You can even write it like this. You can rearrange your thing into a normal way. Do you understand? Yeah. So guys, I just hope you did understand this video. You did understand the video, how to simplify, and you did understand what are the like terms. You should know that when you simplify, you change a bigger thing to a small thing. All these things, I just changed them into a small thing. Even from this one, it was long, I changed it into a small thing. Do you see? Even this one, it was long, I just changed it into a small thing. Do you see? This is how we simplify units. I just hope you did understand. Where you don't understand, please comment and tell me. I'll try to do more videos how to deal with this kind of problems. Yeah. Thank you.